Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make loaded nachos at home without microwave. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees F and arranging a single layer of chips on a baking sheet. Layer cheese, cooked protein, and hearty toppings, then bake until cheese is bubbly and golden. Finish with fresh garnishes like chopped cilantro, sliced jalapeno, and a squeeze of lime for brightness and balance. Gather ingredients and prep before you assemble, so the oven step is fast and flawless. Cook proteins thoroughly and drain excess liquids to keep chips crisp. Shred cheese blends for flavor and meltability, and chop fresh toppings like tomatoes and onions. Have sauces and guacamole ready to add after baking so textures stay contrasty. This prep-first approach makes assembly simple and yields restaurant-style nachos at home with minimal fuss. Arrange assembled nachos on the middle rack and watch the cheese bubble and brown in about 6 to 10 minutes depending on oven strength. Keep an eye on edges to prevent overbrowning and rotate the pan if needed for even color. Pull nachos when cheese is fully melted and slightly golden, then immediately scatter fresh toppings, dollops of sour cream, and guacamole so the contrasts stay bright and textural for every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.